welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, the social media director at Sallie Tomato. Let's unwrap day 6 of the Advent box. This pack of goodness is all wrapped up and ready to go. But hold on, you might want to use it with your day 8 and day 25 goodies. Today we have a versatile essential for bags and accessories, webbing. This new 3-yard pack of webbing is perfect for bag straps, handles, or even some projects still yet to come this month. This durable webbing adds strength and style to your creations and can easily be paired with coordinating fabrics and patterns from the box. This new webbing is available for purchase today on sallietomato.com. And for more webbing sewing tips, check out the tutorial linked below. We hope it inspires you to create functional, long-lasting projects with a professional finish. Enjoy the magic of today's item. There might still be a few Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we've sold out, sign up for our newsletter down below to get early access when the 2026 Advent box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media and we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.